Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use long-lasting lip color. First, let's prepare your lips for the best results. Begin by gently exfoliating to remove any dry skin, ensuring a super smooth surface. Next, apply a very thin layer of hydrating lip balm, letting it sit for about 1 minute, then blot off any excess with a tissue. Finally, a good lip primer will create an even base, helping your color adhere beautifully and last for many hours. Now, let's get to the application. Start by outlining your lips with a lip liner that matches your chosen lip color. This step is crucial for definition and preventing any feathering. After outlining, fill in your entire lip area with the same liner. This acts as a fantastic base, boosting the color's intensity and wear time. Then, apply your long-lasting liquid lipstick or stain in thin, even coats, allowing each layer to dry for about 30 seconds. To truly lock in your lip color, setting is key. After your first application, gently blot your lips with a tissue to remove any excess product. Then, apply a second, thin layer of your long-lasting lip color to build intensity and ensure even coverage. For an extra boost of staying power, place a single ply of tissue over your lips and lightly dust a translucent setting powder over it. This technique helps absorb oils and set the color for up to 8 hours. Keeping your lip color vibrant throughout the day is simple with a few tricks. Try to avoid oily foods and drinks, as oil is a common culprit for breaking down lip products. When you're drinking, using a straw can significantly reduce contact with your lips, preserving your color. And finally, always keep your chosen lip color handy for any necessary touch-ups, especially after enjoying a meal. These small habits will help your beautiful lip color last for many hours.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.